Hello everyone and welcome to a new YouTube tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Windows 11 widgets not working with two simple methods. So if your widgets are unresponsive or not loading, this tutorial is for you. So we have two methods. The first method is to go to the task manager. In the task manager, look for Windows widgets and then right click on them and end task. This will shut down the Windows widgets temporarily. After this, you have to restart your PC and then check if the widgets are working again. So if this method didn't work for you, we'll go to the second method, which is to open up your browser and then in your browser search for Microsoft Edge Web View 2. Open up the Microsoft official website link. Next, click on the download button and then select the Evergreen standalone installer. Now, you have to choose which type of environment your PC is compatible with. And to know that, all you have to do is open up the search bar, type in about your PC, scroll down a little bit, and then you will find the uh, the architecture of or the system type of your PC. For my case, it's a 64-bit operation system ARM based processor. So I'm going to go with the ARM 64-bit installer. Click on accept and download, and the download should start shortly. Alright, so I'll let the download continue and I'll be back once the download finishes. And that's it, the download has finished. Click on the executable. Yeah. Alright, the installation has started. Let's give it a few seconds. And that's it, the installation has finished. All you have to do now is restart your PC and the widgets should be working again. So if this video has helped you, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if it didn't, please make sure to comment so we can help you troubleshoot this issue further and help you in another video. So let me know in the comments. See you on the next video.